I've just received a call from Secretary Clinton. She congratulated us, it's about us, on our victory.
I feel fun.
Kind of felt good, didn't it?
Is this real life?
Yeah, this is real life.
Thank you for coming. I'd like to start by answering the question that's on everyone's mind. Yes, this is real life. This is really happening.
Listen to me, listen to me. Linda,
Didn't you?
Linda, lick it, lick it. But Linda, honey, lick it, look at this.
I'm done arguing with you.
Linda, I'm done arguing with you.
And yes, together, we will make America great again. Thank you, God bless you, and God bless America. Thank you.